We all love to have some plants indoor in our living space. But having plants need the most important ingredient, the soil. Plants take their vitamins from the minerals of the soil. So, making a well-nutrient soil is very important for any type of gardening. Welcome back to my channel, and this is the very second episode of Soft Lines of Life. Today we will learn to prepare potting mixture at home. I shall show you the easiest process to make it, and this will be helpful for the beginners. I will prefer this mixture to use for indoor only, but you can also use this for your balcony gardening or some shady area gardening. Now let's start. I have bought this soilless potting mixture from Amazon online, and they have delivered this to my house very promptly. Now let me open the package. Here inside the package you can see there is a leaflet 5-in-1 potting mix, which makes 10 kg of ready to use potting soil. And the potting mixes are Cocopeat, neem cake, vermicompost, vermiculite and perlite. This is neem cake 200 gram. This is vermiculite 500 gram. This is perlite 150 gram. And this is Cocopeat 1 kg. And this is vermicompost 1.8 kg. Now I am taking a medium size gamla or a tub for mixing all the ingredients. First we have to take the Cocopeat, put it in the tub, remove the cover on it. You have to pour water as much as it required to completely wet the Cocopeat. and like this we will break it and mix it with water. For this, I am using my bare hands as I love to do so, but you can also use gloves if you don't want to use your bare hands. Now this needs some time to complete. Cocopeat is a growing medium made from coconut husks, also known as square peat. It retains moisture and water. It is sustainable and eco-friendly and biodegradable. Here again, pouring some more water. Sometimes it's hard to break it, but you have to keep pouring water as it requires and mix it with water. Again, more water. You can see this is Lucky giving me or trying to give me some helping hands. Now it is done here. Now we'll mix perlite with it. Perlite is lightweight porous material used to improve soil drainage and aeration in gardening. We cut the package and will spread it over the cocopeat. Make sure you don't inhale the dust as it can be harmful for some. And now we'll mix vermiculite and here the neem cake, my favorite neem cake. Neem cake is a natural organic fertilizer and soil conditioner made from residue of neem seeds after the oil is extracted. It provides plants with essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. got the vermicompost. I love this color. Do you know this is prepared by the earthworms? Earthworms decomposing organic matter. It is also known as worm casting or worm manure, often referred to as black gold by gardeners due to its high value as a soil enhancer. And now we have to mix it all the ingredients. For this I am not using my bare hands, as these ingredients, though nutritious, can make some damage to my hands. And I am using this garden tool to mix all the ingredients, and you can see I am getting some help from Lucky also. Take as much time as required to you for mixing it well. Now the soil mixer is ready. It looks like this. We have made it together, and this is perfect medium for your indoor planting, and you can use it for any type of plants except cactus or succulents or adeniums, as they require more dry medium. And if you are a beginner in gardening, you can use this easy method to start with. Trust yourself, you can do it, and I am sure you will do it. So see you in the next episode, and until then, take care and keep smiling, keep gardening. Thank you.